this video, we're going to show how to avoid the expense and difficulty of replacing a treadmill belt by repairing one. We'll bring it around and have a look. Now this treadmill is over 25 years old, and this is the second belt, and it's starting to separate here at the seam. But we want to get it through this winter, so we're going to fix this, if possible. It's also separating a bit on this edge. Enter a tube of E-6000, a flexible adhesive that may be just right for this job. Okay, the directions call for spreading this on both surfaces. Wow, it's some stringy stuff. Now let cure for 2 minutes. And I recommend putting a little petroleum jelly, just a dab around the cap, so you can get this off next time you use it. Okay, 2 minutes are up. A dab right there, it's on the outside. Okay, I'm going to put a book on there, and we'll do the same on the other side, the other part. Okay, so we'll come back in a couple of days, 48 to 72 hours cure time, and see if this E-6000 works as well as they say it should for this job. So the test here, we've had this running for a few days now, is on this seam as it crosses here. You can kind of see you got a little gap there. I might add a little more adhesive right there and here. But generally this needs to be flexible in order to hold up, and on both ends, because it can also be separating over here. I'm impressed this E-6000 has kept this old treadmill out of the scrapyard. Thanks for watching, keep moving, and please subscribe.